Welcome to your Wealth Reboot. In just 7 minutes a day, you can begin to reshape the way you think about money, not through struggle, but through mindset. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to think differently. The truth is, wealth starts in your mind, long before it shows up in your bank account. And tonight, or this morning, or whenever you're listening, you're about to reprogram your relationship with money. So find a quiet space. Sit or lie down comfortably. Breathe deeply. And get ready to reset your financial reality from the inside out. Now, let's begin. Segment 1. Take a deep breath in. Hold for 4 seconds. Now release it slowly through your mouth. Let it carry away stress, worry, doubt. You don't need those anymore. Right now, we begin by clearing space. Mental space. Emotional space. Energetic space that's been filled with old money stories. Stories that say, "I'm not good with money. Money doesn't grow on trees. There's never enough. I'll always struggle. It's too late to start over." But tonight, we speak a different truth. Repeat silently or aloud. I now release every limiting belief I've inherited about money. I forgive myself for past money decisions. They taught me I am no longer available for scarcity. I choose abundance. My mind is a garden. I now pull the weeds and plant wealth. Feel the weight lifting. Feel your breath deepening. You are no longer a prisoner of your past. You are now a conscious creator of wealth. You are clearing the energetic debts that held you back, debts of doubt, shame, guilt, and fear. They no longer belong to you. Let them go with every breath. Now, pause. Place your hand over your heart. Say gently, "I am safe with money. I am safe to receive. I am safe to thrive." Segment 2. Now that the clutter is gone, you have space to install a new operating system. One built for wealth, peace, and overflow. Close your eyes. Breathe in again. Feel your chest rise with possibility. With every inhale, you absorb abundance. With every exhale, you release resistance. Repeat these affirmations slowly and confidently. I was born to experience wealth in all forms. Money flows to me from known and unknown sources. I am aligned with opportunities that multiply my income. I don't chase money. I attract it with my energy. Picture your mind as a vault of possibility. You're upgrading your thoughts, line by line. Like clean code, no bugs, no fears, no doubt. Just clarity, power, and flow. You are downloading the identity of a mindset millionaire. Visualize this version of you waking up, calm, confident, certain. Knowing your financial future is not a maybe, it's a matter of alignment and action. Say this with certainty. I create before I consume. I lead with purpose, and profit follows. Every dollar I receive is a thank you for my value. I manage money wisely, because I respect what I attract. Let these codes sink into your subconscious. Let them rewire your default settings. The more you repeat, the deeper they go. And the deeper they go, the more they show in your life. You are not just shifting thoughts. You are shifting identity. And your identity is what shapes your reality. Now breathe again. Let that identity solidify. Let it become who you are, even in silence. You are now prepared for final activation. Segment 3. Now, as your subconscious absorbs this new wealth code, you move from repeating to embodying. From hoping to being. You no longer try to become wealthy, you simply remember that you already are. Say these words with certainty. Let each one paint a new layer of your reality. I am a financial creator, not just a consumer. I honor money because I've learned to honor myself. Money doesn't change me. It reveals my greatness. I show up with excellence, and wealth responds with overflow. You're not pretending. You're not affirming to trick your brain. You are activating a truth that has always lived inside you. This version of you walks differently, speaks intentionally, makes decisions from abundance, not fear. Pause now. Breathe in. Hold that breath with power. And let it go with trust. You are being recalibrated. Let your inner voice now whisper. I embody generosity, and the universe mirrors it. My wealth is not accidental. It's intentional. I attract mentors, allies, and aligned wealth paths. Even in rest, I rise financially. Picture this. Your bank account growing without panic. Your investments expanding without overthinking. Your ideas becoming streams of passive income. And your energy? Calm, secure, empowered. This is the wealthy nervous system. And you now have it. Let's lock it in. Every part of me is aligned with financial peace. I think like a millionaire, act with wisdom, and attract with ease. Money multiplies through me. Wealth is my new normal. You no longer ask if, you now live in the when. And even that when is shrinking. Because your thoughts are speeding up your reality. You are no longer the version of you who doubted. You are the version who trusts. Let that sink in. Now, breathe deeply one last time. Inhale certainty. Exhale hesitation. And repeat. I am ready. I am worthy. I am wealthy. Your new reality is not coming. It is already here. Let your sleep tonight rehearse success. Let your dreams expand your vision. And let your first thought tomorrow be, money follows me because I've become its match. Welcome to your new wealthy life. Welcome to your inner millionaire. You've spoken the words. Now watch the money follow. And so it is.